Okay, I'm on team 2.
I literally said back to her.
92, teams. 92, let's switch teams.
But how do we get
I'm
back
on
to
team 2 already.
Okay, let me go to team 2.
I think I'm on team 1.
No!
No,
It's
this
me
is
and
us
TTV.
versus them two.
Then why do I
Okay, TTV stands team 1. Mako, whatever.
So I pull back to hub?
Yeah, go join him. No, Omar!
It's not letting me
Omar, we're not on a team. No, you want to be on my team because I'm better than everyone. It doesn't matter. I switched to team 2.
No, you're not better than me. I'm better than you.
Then prove it. Let's do it.
Okay, fine. And whose retard just started it?
Well, at the end of the skateboard race, it's basically 1v1. The end.
It's okay, kid. We're gonna shit on you kids.
How am I busy?
Don't edit, you fucking retard. Stop. I hate. This is why I hate having teammates.
Behind you? Bro, TTV, you're so garbage. Like, come on, bro. I'm joking. Why do you have to go? Why?
Cause his little mommy's telling him.
I would say shut up and let me play.
Thank you so much. I love you.